So the kids' Christmas party is happening on Saturday the 9th of December here at Excel Church. It's going to be loads of fun. We have some surprises for you as well. So make sure you get your parents to sign you up online to come along to that. And then straight after that, you're going to have a rehearsal for the nativity play. This is so exciting. So if you want to play your part and be in it as an actor or an actress, well, you need to come to that rehearsal, which is also happening on that Saturday. So kids, you need to get your parents to sign you up. They can either pick up a letter from the foyer today with all the information on, and they can head to our website, excelchurch.org.uk/Christmas party, for them to sign you up to the Christmas party and to the nativity play this Christmas.
Lost on your own. You don't know.
Guys, listen up. I've got all the information about our Christmas season here at Excel Church, so let's get into it. On Sunday, the 10th of December, we've got 2 services happening in the morning, one at 10 a.m. and one at 12 noon. And this is because we've got our kids performing the nativity play. I know, it's iconic every year. They're going to be doing it this year as well, and we'd love you to be a part of that and watch them. We're also going to have a dance performance by the kids as well. They've been practicing for ages, so make sure you turn up to see them. For that one, you can sign up so that we know capacity and numbers. That would be awesome if you can sign up to it. But we'd love to invite you to come along for those 2 services to watch our kids shine like the stars they are. But just make a note that on the evening on that day, there's no evening service, okay? So both services are going to be in the morning instead. So no evening service on that day.
If you feel like you're scarred.
Next up, on the 16th of December, is our amazing Christmas Fest, and we're very excited for this. So if you're up for volunteering, then make sure you make yourself known to Dan and someone on the team, and we'd love to give you something to do on that day. But also you can buy your tickets for that event online on our website, and we'd love to see you there. Why not get a ticket for a friend as well and invite them along? It's going to be an awesome day, getting together to reach out to the community and to just have some Christmas fun. Now, on Sunday, the 17th of December, are you still with me, people? Great. So on the 17th of December, we're going to have our Christmas-themed morning service. That'll be happening at 11 a.m, but just make a note, on this day, that's the only service that will be happening. There isn't an evening service, because obviously the day before will have been Christmas Fest, and we're all going to need our afternoon naps. So take that opportunity while you can. So on that day, we'll just have the morning service, and it'll be a lovely Christmas-themed one. So the following Sunday takes us to Christmas Eve, can you believe it? So on Christmas Eve, the day's going to look a little different because we won't have a morning service. We're just going to have the traditional carol service at 6 p.m. in the evening.
Where you are, oh, where you have.
Right, now we're at Christmas Day. We're all excited, and there's going to be a morning service here at 10:30 a.m. So if you want to come for Christmas Day praise, come along for an hour's service on Christmas Day. So, New Year, what are you doing? You're going to come to church for the crossover event that's happening at 7 p.m. in the evening. Make a note, there's no church services on this day. It'll just be this wonderful crossover event. So if you want more information about that, head to our website and you can have a look at what's going to be going on for that. It's going to be an awesome way to let in the new year together. And that's all for the Christmas stuff. This Wednesday is Leadership Development Night, where we're joined by Lucas Dewhurst, who's going to be coming for that evening. So come along for that if you're in any position of leadership, and we'd love to see you there. Have a great week, guys. That's all for Excel News. Peace.